Greeting, this is Marco. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a video right here in this PowerPoint presentation, right here. Yes, very important how we're going to be doing that. All right, the first thing you want a blank slide, right? So notice this one is not a blank slide. All right, so what we wanted to do from right here, where it says new slide, we're going to click and this is the blank slide. Now we insert the blank slide. The next thing that you wanted to do is to click on the word insert. Notice when I click on the word insert right here, you notice that I'll bring down the ribbon right here. So what you want to go right up here, notice the word video. To the right hand and it is media. So I want to click on the pointer right here. Notice it says this device, stock up video, or I can go online. So what I wanted to do, I want to go directly on desktop. So I want to click it just like that. And notice it take me right here on the desktop. All right, so I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to come right down here and click on the word insert. Now click on insert. There you go. If you notice, it shows me some design idea right over here, which I can actually click on to give the video a nice look shape. We're going to click right there. If you notice, definitely I can actually play the video in my PowerPoint presentation. I can come right here. I can actually put it into full screen. Now my video is in full screen. So I'm going to click right here in order for me to play it. And good. And this is where actually see that I can press the escape key to come back out there. So this is one of the way I can actually insert a video in the slide. Not only that, I can even come right here and actually size it in just like that. You can actually do that just the same. And size it up, put it anywhere you want it. You can even come right here, look a pointer right here. You notice you can put the video in all different type of shapes and style, just the same to you want it. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.